Are you bloated? Do you have acne? Are you craving food like nobody's business? You might be suffering from all of these PCOS symptoms, something that Penelope had severely when she was 320 pounds.
I reversed my PCOS symptoms: cravings, gut dysbiosis, constipation, acne, bad skin, fatigue. And I'm going to tell you exactly what foods I ate that helped me so much.
We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on. It's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I'd love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe.
We didn't take the pills. We didn't do the injections. We reversed PCOS all naturally on our 260-pound weight loss journey. The first thing that we did was we included fermented vegetables in our diets. One of the things I focused on for the last 34 plus years is nourishing traditions from a number of different cultures throughout the world. And what was so interesting is that as I was traveling and studying, I noticed there were some similarities. Whether we're looking at Russia or all throughout Asia and Europe, we noticed something that fermented vegetables were in absolutely every one of these cultures. Now, when you really look at the science, you start to realize that fermented vegetables make it all the way, that means the probiotics in those fermented vegetables make it all the way to your large intestine, which is your gut microbiome. So fancy, expensive probiotics didn't cut it. And now we know why. Fermented vegetables are an ancient healing tradition that absolutely go to help reinforce your gut microbiome health.
Bone broth is something that has been really helpful on my journey. You can actually make your own really, really easily at home. I think it's probably cheaper if you do the math to make your own at home. 100%. We add mushrooms and chaga and reishi and peppercorns and allspice and cardamom, lots of fun things. And maybe we'll share a recipe on our Substack about that. But
yeah, I think that the collagen in those bone broths is known to be healing. This is also another ancient healing recipe and remedy. But also I think what bone broth is shown to do is it reduces inflammation. And when you have less inflammation, your body can do its repair work a lot more efficiently because don't forget, your body was designed to heal itself. The third point the third food that we ate to reverse our PCOS and heal our gut microbiome was being sure to include adequate amounts of prebiotic fibers. So these are the fibers that you find like in garlic and onions and Jerusalem artichokes, also known as sunchokes. So these prebiotic fibers go and they help to heal the gut microbiome in a different way than other fibers. So not all fiber is created equally. And we go into a lot of depth about this topic in our program. The prebiotic fibers feed the good bacteria in your gut. They're like miracle grow for your gut microbiome. You don't need fewer calories. You need the calories that you eat to be absorbed because you are not what you eat. You are what you absorb. And this is why it is so important on your journey in your healing and reversing of PCOS naturally and natural weight loss journey to realize that healing your gut is the top priority, and getting the information that you need in order to do that is so, so, so important. It's not going to be from an injection or a pill. It's going to be from strategically aligning your diet and getting knowledge that we've been using for thousands of years that is effective in healing your body from the inside out. You simply cannot out-diet a broken gut.
so if you want to learn how to heal your gut and heal your PCOS, just like Mom and I did, then be sure to click the link in our description to join our Women's Accountability Group. If you would like to support Mom and I's mission on helping America become beautiful, healthy, and fit again, then please subscribe to our Substack where we share exclusive recipes behind the scenes of our life behind these cameras. Don't forget to follow us on X, Instagram, and TikTok.
As well as Spotify.
Comment down below your favorite gut healing food that you didn't know was a gut healing food. I'm curious to hear. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we will see you all the time.